Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. In this week we're going to talk about libraries in Illustrator. Previously we talked about libraries in Photoshop, but this time we want to talk about how libraries in Illustrator are slightly different. First up, I'm going to come to Window and then go to Libraries. Here in Libraries we can see our other libraries that I've created in the past, but I'm going to go to Create New Library. I'm going to call this Driftwood and choose Create. Here we can see that there is nothing in the library, and if I go to the plus button, it only gives me the option for fill color, which we can see represented right here. That's okay because I'd like that fill color, so I can select that. Now in Illustrator, what comes into your library is fully dependent on what you have selected. So if I select Driftwood here, you can see that changes my fill color. And if I go to the plus again, we can add the fill color or the graphic of Driftwood. I'm going to go with fill color. If I select everything and go to the plus, you can see now that I can add the graphic that is going to represent my entire logo. If I like, I can break this down into different elements. So for example, if I click on my rectangle here, go to plus, I can now add that as a graphic as well. What about fonts? I want to have my coffee bar font available to use for branding. So if I select that and hit the plus, I can bring in the character style for that font so it'll be usable across any different project where I work in the brand. Along with that, if I select that plus, I can bring in the text of that, the paragraph style, or bring it in just as a graphic. Additionally, I can select Add All to add all of these different elements into my library. Once I've finished up, I can select the little circle shield icon up here and use this option here to add emails of people that I'd like to work with. I can give them the option to edit or only view these files. Once I'm happy, I can select Invite and they'll be able to use this library. Have you ever used a library before? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick